What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm making seafood stuffed lobster, stuffed with shrimp and salmon. Come along with me. Let me show you how I stuff this lovely lobster, Sister J's way, Sister J's version. So I put the live lobster in the pot. So now I'm boiling the lobster. So this is the first step of preparing my lobster. So now that I've already cooked the lobster, I go ahead and I slit the head open so I can take this stuff out. I don't normally use what's in the head, so I'm just using a spoon to take this stuff out, and then I'm going to be stuffing it with shrimp and salmon. So now I take out the stuff out the egg. I'm just going to rinse it out. So for my stuffing, I'm going to be using salmon and shrimp. I'm using a little olive oil in the pot. I cut the salmon in small pieces. this shrimp shell and devein. Go ahead and put some celery, some bell pepper, some green onion or scallions. So we have salmon and shrimp here for the stuffing. I'm just going to drizzle a little lemon in it. Some lemon juice. A little homemade garlic butter. I'm going to put some garlic and herb seasoning. Some complete seasoning. I'm going to put some lobster base. And some heavy cream. For binding, I'm using a little Italian breadcrumbs. Now I'm going to put some parsley. I have some curly parsley and some Italian parsley. Now my stuffing is all ready. It's time to stuff the lobster. Time to stuff the lobster. So on the lobster tail, I'm gonna put some lobster base right here. I'm gonna stuff the other lobster. Lobster base on the tail here. If you're doing your lobster and you want to sprinkle a little cheese, you can. I'm not going to put any cheese on these. I'm just going to put it in the oven. Put some more parsley on top. And then the lobster is ready for the oven. There you have it, guys, my seafood stuffed lobster. I have it here as a Father's Day idea. I'm serving it with double baked potato and corn. Guys, you gotta try this recipe out. It tastes real good and I know you will enjoy it. Guys, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Guidance.